incredible state in terms of festival, culture, attire, and lifestyle. This season has been glorified in several facts of photography and print media. A plethora of celebration and festival is one of the features that highlight the state and makes it a worth visit. There are several festivals organized in West Bengal that keeps the residents busy all the year. Some of them being Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja and many more. The entire atmosphere gets elevated and charged up during the festival season. Being a part of this popular celebration is a memory for a lifetime. So let us get started with the list of festivals of West Bengal that takes place in a year. Saraswati Puja. This festival happens in the period between January and February. Saraswati Puja is considered to be one of the distinctive festivals held in West Bengal. Bengalis celebrate this festival as the homecoming of Goddess Saraswati. This festival is celebrated on 5th day of Magh month. It is also called Vasant Panchami in northern areas of the country. Bengalis have a special significance on this day. They believe this day is an auspicious occasion for education and learning related things. It is considered to be the highly fortunate occasion for their children to begin academic learning. On this day, girls wear colorful saris and take darshan of the nicely decorated goddess Saraswati pandals. Durga Puja. This festival happens in the period between September and October. Durga Puja is one of the major festivals of West Bengal. The massive celebration that happens during the festival is famous throughout the world. It commemorates the triumph of God over evil. People have this belief that Goddess Durga defeated the demon Mahishasur after a fierce battle that lasted for 10 days. The last day or 10th day is called Vijayadashmi. This festival is marked by offering prayers to Goddess Durga, rejoicing fest, dance, drama and music. On this auspicious day, people dress up in new colorful cloth. They visit puja pandals of different communities and pray reference to the 10-armed Goddess Durga in the pandals. Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Ganesh and Kartikeya are beautifully ornated and decorated. The priests do prayer at the pre-arranged times, whereas the devotees visit pandals during the day. Lakshmi Puja. Lakshmi Puja is another very significant Hindu festival celebrated by Bengalis in October. It is celebrated throughout the state with a great enthusiasm and passion. During this festival, people from different parts of the world come to visit the state to be a part of this grand festivity. Lakshmi Puja takes place a week later after Vijayadashmi. People devote their respect and gratitude towards Ma Lakshmi, who is believed to be the goddess of prosperity and wealth. Lakshmi Puja is the festival of lights. People celebrate it at home by either performing all rituals by a priest or on their own. Prayers are made to bestow prosperity and wealth to their homes. Kali Puja. Kali Puja is another noteworthy festival that takes place in West Bengal in October or November. This is a long festival that goes about 12 days. It happens after Durga Puja. Beside Durga Puja, it is one of the largest festivals in Kolkata. Kali Puja is celebrated in the honor of Goddess Kali. It is recognized by the chantings of mantras in night time that goes till the dawns. The goddess is ornated with beautiful garland made up of hibiscus. All these scared chantings of mantras is carried out in the presence of the holy fire. Devotees offer several types of offering to goddess that includes sweets, lentils and rice. Bhai Phota. Bhai Phota is celebrated throughout West Bengal in the month of November. It is similar to the major Hindu festival Raksha Bandhan. This festival denotes the affection between the brother and the sister. In other words, Bhai Phota is the Bengali version of Raksha Bandhan. The ritual performing both festivals are more or less the same. Here also the sister puts kumkum tika on the forehead of the brother along with some chantings. Later she offers him sweets and wishes for his long life. Brother gets 10 to stay on the righteous path. This festival realizes the tie between a sister and a brother. Eid ul-Fitr. Eid is another very significant festival in West Bengal. It is celebrated mostly by the Muslim in the state. The date of occurrence of this festival isn't fixed. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated in May. It comes after the break of auspicious Ramzan month. This festival memorizes the commencement of a joyful communion post a month of fasting and prayer. Chhat Puja. Chhat is the primitive Hindu festival. It is the only Vedic festival that is dedicated to the Surya Dev, sun god, and Chhati Maiya, goddess Usha, mentioned in the Vedic scriptures. The Chhat Puja is performed to pay the gratitude to Lord Surya to sustain life on earth. While performing the rituals of this festival, people request the Lord to grant them few wishes. In Hindu scriptures, it is mentioned that worship of Lord Sun help in curing various types of ailments that include leprosy. It also assists in ensuring and the prosperity and the longevity of friends, family members, and elders. Dol Purnima. Another Hindu festival that is celebrated with a different name in West Bengal state is Dol Purnima. This is the Bengali version of Holi festival. Dol Purnima is celebrated by men and women in a very dignified manner. It is done by placing the statues of Krishna and Radha on an appealing adorned palanquin that is taken around the major street of the village or the city. On the early morning of Dol Purnima, the students get themselves dressed up in pure white cloths or saffron colored dresses. They also wear fresh garlands of scented flowers. Everyone enjoys this occasion by memorizing themselves completely in singing and dancing to the beats of musical instruments. Different types of musical instruments are used such as debris, ektara, veena, etc. The devotees swings their idols and women sing devotional songs and dance around the wings. During these activities, the men spray colored powder, abir or colored water at them. Jamai Shosti. This is a very beautiful, distinctive festival that commemorates the relationship between a son-in-law and the mother-in-law. This day brings the warmness back in their relationship. Jamai is a term that refers to the son-in-law. Jamai Shosti festival is celebrated in May or June. On this day, the son-in-law goes to her mother-in-law to seek her blessings for prosperous future. A grand celebration is organized on this day to welcome the arrival of the son-in-law to their house. The ritual happens in the presence of close members of the household. As per the tradition, the mother-in-law prepares a variety of mouth-watering and delectable Bengali dishes and gives gifts to her son-in-law. Poush Sankranti. In West Bengal, Makar Sankranti is celebrated as Poush Sankranti. The name of this festival is derived from the Bengali month Poush. It is the month when the harvest festival is celebrated. Newly collected paddy along with the date plum syrup as patli and khajur gur is used to prepare a rich variety of conventional Bengali sweet. These sweets are made up with coconut, rice flour, date palm, jaggery and milk. All the different sections of the society contribute a 3-day event that starts on the day period to Sankranti and culminate on the next day. The goddess Lakshmi is awarded on the auspicious occasion of Sankranti. This festival is celebrated in Darjeeling as Magi Sankranti. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. As a ritual, devotees take bath before rising of the sun and start their puja. The food consumed during the festival comprises yams and sweet potatoes. Life in West Bengal is full of enthusiasm and delicate. It is really an incredible place to experience the different color, energy and beauty of the festivals. These are the festivals that are immensely popular in Kolkata. Learning about them helps in realizing their significance in a Bengali household. These celebrations are just evidence of the never-ending and eternal spirit of the people present at this place. Thank you.